Today is a monumental day for Electromechanica with the official commissioning of our Mesa manufacturing facility and the announcement that this facility will serve as our new corporate headquarters.
Vehicles produced here will not only be Arizona made, but they will be American made. I'm proud to be part of this momentous event and excited to see these cars, the Solo, on our street soon.
This vehicle kind of reminds me of Mesa because it is affordable. It is good looking. So again, congratulations to Electromechanica. The city of Mesa looks forward to growing, helping you. We appreciate your commitment to our city. I assure you we are equally committed to your success.
This time I would like to invite the three of you to participate in our ribbon cutting ceremony. For anyone that is interested in taking a test drive, we invite you to experience the Solo.